Are you tired of that 9-to-5 grind and dreaming of financial freedom? Well, look no further than Dividend Stocks, your secret weapon to potentially doubling your income. Today, we're going to reveal 10 dividend stocks that ChatGPT itself predicts could help you achieve just that. These are the heavy hitters, the reliable income generators that could grow your portfolio over the long haul. So whether you're just starting out or planning for a comfortable retirement, these stocks could be the key to unlocking your financial future. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell. We also want to remind you that this video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor or professional before making any investment decisions. All right, let's get started. First up, we have a true titan of industry. A company so reliable it's practically synonymous with stability itself, Johnson & Johnson. Now, I'm sure you've heard of them. They're the brains behind Band-Aids, Tylenol, and a whole arsenal of household name health products. But did you know that they are also a Dividend King? That's right, folks, a Dividend King. This prestigious title is reserved for companies that have increased their dividend payouts annually for at least 50 consecutive years. 50 years of consistent dividend growth. This tells you everything you need to know about JJ's commitment to rewarding its shareholders. And think about it, what's more essential than healthcare? People will always need medicine, regardless of the economy or the latest tech trends. This makes JNDJ a defensive stock, meaning it tends to hold its value well even during market downturns. Think of it as a safe haven for your investment portfolio. They're a global powerhouse with a diverse product portfolio and a knack for innovation. With a history of dividend growth like theirs, you can bet that those payouts will only continue to climb. Yeah. Next up, we have another dividend aristocrat with a global presence, Procter & Gamble. Now, you might not recognize the name immediately, but I guarantee you've got their products in your home right now. We're talking Tide detergent, Crest toothpaste, Gillette razors, Pampers diapers. The list goes on. P&G is a consumer goods giant, and their products are staples in households around the world. No matter what the economy throws at us, people will always need to brush their teeth, wash their clothes, and take care of their families. This consistent demand for their products translates into reliable earnings and a steady stream of dividends for investors like you. They're masters of innovation, constantly researching and developing new and improved versions of their products to stay ahead of the curve. With a track record of dividend growth spanning decades, you can be confident that they'll continue to reward their shareholders for years to come. Now let's shake things up a bit and talk about Microsoft, a company that's at the forefront of technological innovation. I know what you're thinking. Microsoft, isn't that a growth stock? And you're right, it is. But what many people don't realize is that Microsoft is also a dividend powerhouse. While their dividend yield might not be the highest on this list, don't let that fool you. Microsoft has consistently increased its dividend at a double-digit rate for years. And with their dominance in cloud computing with Azure and their aggressive moves into AI, those dividend payments are only going to get bigger and better. This widespread adoption, combined with their relentless innovation and strategic acquisitions, ensures that Microsoft will continue to generate massive profits for years to come. And as their profits grow, so too will their dividends, rewarding long-term investors like you. Now let's talk about a sector that's near and dear to all of our hearts: energy. And when it comes to reliable dividend payers in the energy sector, Chevron is a name that stands tall. They're one of the largest integrated energy companies in the world, involved in everything from oil and gas exploration and production to refining, transportation, and marketing. Oil and gas prices can fluctuate wildly, impacting the earnings of energy companies. But here's the thing about Chevron. They're incredibly well managed and have a proven track record of navigating even the toughest of energy markets. They've consistently paid and increased their dividend for over 30 years, even during times of low oil prices. This disciplined approach, combined with their global reach and diverse portfolio of energy assets, makes Chevron a reliable dividend payer even in the face of market uncertainty. How do they do it? They maintain a strong balance sheet and focus on generating strong free cash flow. Next, we have PepsiCo. Let's be honest, who doesn't love a refreshing Pepsi or a bag of Crunchy Lay's potato chips every now and then? And that, my friends, is the beauty of PepsiCo. They're the snack and beverage giant behind some of the most iconic brands in the world, satisfying our cravings and keeping those dividends flowing. No matter what's happening in the economy, people will always need to eat and drink. This makes PepsiCo a consumer staple, meaning their products are always in demand. And that consistent demand translates into stable earnings and a steady stream of dividend payments for investors like you. But PepsiCo isn't just about sugary drinks and salty snacks. They've been making a concerted effort to diversify their portfolio with healthier options like Quaker Oats, Tropicana juice, and even bottled water. This commitment to innovation, coupled with their unparalleled brand recognition and global distribution network, makes PepsiCo a true dividend champion. They've increased their dividend for almost 50 consecutive years. And with their finger on the pulse of consumer trends, there's no reason to believe that streak will end anytime soon. Now let's talk about Visa, a company that's at the forefront of the digital payment revolution. In today's increasingly cashless world, Visa is a true powerhouse, processing trillions of dollars in transactions every single year. And with their global reach and dominance in the digital payment space, they're only going to get bigger. Visa's dividend yield might not be the most impressive, but their dividend growth is where the real magic happens. They've been increasing their dividend at a double-digit rate for years. And with the continued growth of e-commerce and digital payments, those dividends are poised to skyrocket. Every time someone swipes their Visa card online or in a store, Visa takes a small cut. And as more and more transactions move online, Visa's profits and their dividends are only going to grow. This makes Visa a true compounding machine, a stock that has the potential to generate significant wealth over the long term. With their dominant market position and explosive growth potential, Visa is a dividend stock that you definitely want in your portfolio. Now let's talk about a company that's a favorite among income investors, Realty Income. They're a real estate investment trust, or REIT for short, that specializes in freestanding, single-tenant commercial properties. Think of your local Walgreens, CVS, or Dollar General. Those are the types of properties Realty Income owns. But here's the kicker. They pay their dividends monthly. That's right, you heard me correctly, monthly. No more waiting around for quarterly payments. With Realty Income, you get a steady stream of passive income every single month. Realty Income is a dividend aristocrat, meaning they've increased their dividend for at least 25 consecutive years. Their business model is built for stability. They own properties in a wide range of industries, from grocery stores and pharmacies to convenience stores and restaurants. Now let's talk about a company that's a leader in the pharmaceutical industry, AbbVie. They're the makers of Humira, one of the best-selling drugs of all time, used to treat a variety of autoimmune diseases. Humira is facing patent expiration soon, but AbbVie is not a one-trick pony. They have a robust pipeline of new drugs in development, ready to take Humira's place and drive future growth. They've been investing heavily in research and development, focusing on areas like immunology, oncology, and virology. They're committed to developing innovative therapies that address unmet medical needs, and their pipeline is a testament to that commitment. AbbVie isn't just about developing new drugs. They're also committed to returning value to their shareholders through dividends. They've increased their dividend for over 45 consecutive years, and with their strong cash flow and promising pipeline, those dividends are only going to get bigger. Now let's talk about a company that's at the heart of the technology sector, Broadcom. They're a leading designer, developer, and global supplier of a broad range of semiconductor devices. Their products are used in everything from smartphones and data centers to networking equipment and industrial applications. In today's tech-driven world, Broadcom is a true powerhouse. Their chips are essential components in countless electronic devices, and their demand is only going to grow as technology continues to advance. Broadcom isn't just about riding the coattails of the tech industry. They're constantly innovating, developing new and improved chips that are faster, more powerful, and more energy efficient. They're at the forefront of semiconductor technology, and their commitment to innovation ensures that they'll remain a leader for years to come. Broadcom is a dividend-paying machine, increasing their dividend at an incredible pace, and with their strong cash flow and bright future, those dividends are only going to get bigger and better. Finally, let's end with a classic, a company that's been a household name for generations, Coca-Cola. They're the beverage giant behind some of the most iconic drinks in the world, from Coke and Sprite to Dasani water and Minute Maid juice. Sugary drink consumption is declining, but Coca-Cola is not just a soda company anymore. They've been diversifying their portfolio, acquiring brands like Honest Tea, vitamin water, and even a stake in the energy drink company, Monster. They understand that consumer preferences are changing, and they're adapting to stay ahead of the curve. They're also expanding their global reach, tapping into new markets and introducing their iconic brands to new consumers around the world. Coca-Cola is a Dividend King, meaning they've increased their dividend for over 60 consecutive years. That's an incredible track record of returning value to shareholders, and it's a testament to their enduring brand power and global reach. So there you have it, 10 dividend-paying powerhouses predicted by ChatGPT to potentially double your income over time. Remember, investing is a long-term game. It's about consistency, patience, and letting the power of compounding work its magic. Now, before you rush out and buy all these stocks, it's crucial to remember that this video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research, consider your own risk tolerance, and consult with a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about building wealth and achieving financial freedom, make sure to check out the 2 videos popping up on your screen right now. Thanks for watching.